The last fire of the year. Mr. Moore brought some wood over, and we have to make sure we use it up. And we just had a little puppy shearing process out here. There's our yard. There's the wood we have to burn up. And here is the new puppy, before and after. Look at she's having. What kind of food do we feed these puppies? Here's their dinner. Take a look at that. Puppies of the dog world. Eat your heart. Let's grind it up in here, and then we feed it to them in these little bear packet things. Right? There is the bear packet thing. See? Brag, I think I'm a little complaining. Then we had these little pieces of steak here. Check out that. Oh, I didn't eat that good when I was a kid. Okay.
But you weren't Renee's dog.
I wouldn't appreciate her being my wife if I wouldn't have been her dog, if I had been her dog. Let me come over here and get a good look at this.
Wait a minute, now just think about how good I am at you.
That's what I'm saying. I wouldn't appreciate it if I had been treated like these dogs.
That's fine.
Look at these dogs. Poor malnourished food. Oh, here's a good one. Bear does not like the little water coming out the right-hand side of this thing. So what does Renee? She constantly keeps this side full because of the bear. The thing makes noises at him every once in a while. She's got to flee after her. Guess she told you, didn't she, buddy?
Did you get that?
Yeah, I did. In some semblance, I probably was a little bit off kilter because I wasn't watching through the window. I was looking, making sure we didn't have a dog fight on our hands. These were, what are these, baby tears things? What are they called?
Tomatoes?
No, the ones, the little silver one. The little bitty plant.
Oh, I don't know what that is. Remember gave that to me. That's the vase that our flower arrangement was in from the wedding. All the flowers that
And we had some tomato plants my mother gave to us. And we're growing some tomato plants over here. And our cucumbers didn't make it. Here's these golf balls I bought. I've already lost some of these golf balls, but I bought 50 or so of those golf balls for $5 on the golf range. Let's see. Here comes Prissy. Oh, she hasn't finished hers, but what does she want? She goes and check out Bear's thing.
Oh, she's good at hers now.
She did. She'll be all ready to sell now. Oh, she wants some more. She's going. That's some good stuff. Bear, Renee cooks the chicken that we're having, and the leftover part she cooks for the puppy.
And the back and the neck and the lizard and the liver and the skin.
Does that look good or does that look good right there?
And this is our dinner. This is not for the dogs.
In case you're wondering, so what time do they eat dinner here? I'll give you a time here. 4:18, 7:27. What we do? We like to eat about 7:30, and that way the news, we've been recording the news on the VCR. Here we are on this nice Saturday morning. Too bad I can't capture sounds, smells too, because the honeysuckle is smelling so good. Got up this morning and watered the grass a little bit. It's a beautiful day. Thinking a little bit of golf maybe. Do some work on the computer. The Moore's out and about early this morning. Mary's not here. Picture of our car here. I'm going to sell that thing. Maybe for sale sign. question is how much we're going to cut these things back. I have to come out here and look at the... These plants that Renee planted just the other day. Some marigolds. Oh, there's some blooms there. There's a sweet little puppy. Okay, we're doing a little remedial house cleaning today. Look at these floors, isn't that beautiful?
You ready to go to sleep?
Here comes my daughter and wife. I don't know, are you gonna let me go with you?
Sure am. I wouldn't want to go without ya. Celebrate.
Here comes the top dog here. I thought we should record some at airport, since that's your old alma mater.
I had a white flip on it. That was right to my end now.
It'll be worth it.
I got you. I was thinking today. I said I got a good clean wife, Christian woman, and a dog that loves me. I'm a rich man. Oh, I'm gonna let you down. You ain't gonna be still.
No, she won't be
You
still.
don't be still. You don't want to go to sleep. Oh, get your sleep.
Here we are on our gin here on this 21st day of April. My goodness, April's gonna be gone. And here we have a little puppy here. He just eats and eats and eats. Of course, he was down to 19 pounds this morning.
What you doing? Put you down for tomorrow?
Yeah, Chrissy keeps him on the run.
We're going to get close up on our steaks.
You done got your steak cooked?
No.
Did you see that monster steak I got?
Yeah, I did. That's a nice one.
That was the same one. I think I had 17.
It's a nice one.
Well, I can't cut them for half of them. Not steak by life.
Well, it'll be good tomorrow.
Yeah, I'm not for them.
You can spoil that old Tammy Faye with half of it.
Huh?
You can
No,
put...
I didn't give my steak my dough. I give a little piece of what I had left. She's got a bunch of turkey over there already, chopped up little pieces.
Here's
Mary left that for her, I guess.
And this turkey over there, and there's what am I trying to say? There's spaghetti over there, Jack. Spaghetti.
Spaghetti for Kathy?
No, for me. Mine don't look like yours. I don't like to speak with water.
We are on this wonderful I just want to get a picture of that big old tongue there. Oh, look at that big tongue. Oh man, that is a tongue. Is this puppy gonna be a loving machine? She gonna make puppies faster than rabbits make rabbits. Oh, Bear's trying to check out what the situation is. Okay, here, I got something for you to play with. My nasty old socks there. Oh, they smell so good.